What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the keyboard disappeared issue in MagicOS 8. So to fix this issue, first of all try restarting your phone. So to restart, press and hold on this power button, and after that from this menu tap on restart. So when you will tap on this restart option here, it will restart your phone, and restarting your phone can fix small software glitches like keyboard issues. So after restarting, if you are still facing the issue, then open settings. Now scroll down and here tap on apps, and then in apps again tap on this apps option. Now here go to the search bar and search for your keyboard that you are using. So tap on the keyboard and after that go to its storage. Now after going to storage, clear the cache memory of the keyboard. So to clear this cache memory, just simply tap on clear cache and cache memory will be cleared, and after that the keyboard will start working properly and disappearing issue will be fixed. But if you're still facing the issue, then the last solution is open settings one more time. Now scroll down to the end and here click on system and updates, and then tap on software update. Now from here check if your phone's software is updated to the latest version or not. So if it's not updated, then update the software, and after updating the software the keyboard disappearing issue will be fixed. So that's how you can fix the keyboard disappeared issue in MagicOS 8. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.